Oh, you are flowering. Flower boy. Alright, sir. Happy flowering. Irish flower. I'm gonna punish you, wish. I missed you so much.
I missed it too.
Are you sure you are asleep?
I slept long time ago.
That means it work. This brother is an idiot too. Let me tell you the truth, you don't know. You don't have a brother. You have a foolish human being as a brother. Sorry. So you are weak. You are this weak and you'll be informing Jagaban.
Don't worry,
I would have loved to walk on him. But because I'm a nice person, let me turn around.
His brain is too light, so he won't go crazy. So just leave him alone.
Well, because I'm a good boy, I will just pass around. Let me pass. Come now, come. Yeah, let's go, Kwakori. I'm in your house! Yes, I want to knock your sister and you don't do anything. That's why before me, Jagaban, you be pushing me home. Release her. Come and send me out to knock your sister! He's a madman. Woo! Now I know why this your brother has been stopping me from coming to your house. Because he has known that you're a very sweet girl. Calavage. Wow. I can see he's enjoying himself. He's cruising. Yes. Normally, he's supposed to sleep for 3 to 4 weeks.
No.
What's that?
See, I still like my brother, despite the fact that he's very, very stubborn. I still like him. Moreover, I want to explain to them I'm going to
Tell him that he's sleeping now.
for 3 weeks plus.
He will understand. He knows he's very stubborn. He's not like he will not die.
It's okay, please. I don't want to stay.
It's because of the love I have for you that will make me do this thing for him.
So, how do you wake him up?
Just tap his head 3 times when I'm gone. And wake up.
Just that.
Just that.
Thank you.
I love you!
I love you too.
Vagabond.
What did you give to me to touch on my brother?
Are you sure? Because the Babalawo told me 3 times. Do it again.
No waking up.
You know your brother is a very foolish boy. Try it again.
Maybe I should try it harder.
Harder, yes. I feel he's doing this thing intentionally.
It's not waking up, oh, Florina.
Oh, me too. Wait, just relax. I feel I should come and help you.
Are you okay?
Me.
Are you okay?
Me.